So I just released a huge update for Form Filler Pro. It's now going to click the radio buttons, so you have to click even less whenever you're filling out these campaign forms. And I increased the speed for this, for scanning for these forms if you want to scan on your own, if you're not in our Discord, because I also send the ones that I find straight to the Discord. I also send new deal alerts. So what it does is it finds products that drop in price, that have minimal influencer videos and actually have sales a month and as a top carousel. So that's all in a Discord for free. Form Filler Pro is a paid extension, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you it right now. So this is how fast it'll scan, and I'll show you after how slow it was before. But this is the speed now. You can see how many campaigns it scanned and how many form links it found in the campaign. So once you press stop, it'll send you a CSV of all the products. And now we'll go ahead and show you how it fills out the forms. So I'll go to my Discord here and we'll look at the new forms we got. So here's a sample request form. You just press fill form and we have it filled all of this out besides the notes. I'll show you on another form just to show you it works on multiple different types of forms. This is not the standard format, but I think it's still going to work. Yep, so it did everything. It didn't put your creator connections handle, but if you need to copy it, it's right here for you to copy. And you could also copy your storefront link, your media kit link, if ever it doesn't fill out for some reason. So these forms that are not the standard format are a little trickier. I'll go ahead and show you another one. So as you see, it filled all of this out, how you plan to promote it, turnaround time, your Amazon page. It now clicks these buttons. If you have your socials right here, it'll click the buttons and it'll also put your information for the links here. Follower account, pick that. You got your mailing address, yes, and anything else you'd like to know. It filled all of this out for you. It's pretty much as close to one click as you can get on these forms. So all of this is filled out. You got to put the product you're interested in. So that's the update for Form Filler Pro. It's a fantastic extension if you plan on filling out these extensions or if you want to find these free product campaign forms on your own.